2 ways on how to earn in the stock market. And you won't believe because passive income ang number 1. Number 2, price appreciation. If ang shares of stocks ni Jollibee is 10 pesos per share, then meron kang 100 pesos and then bibili ka ng shares of stocks. Magkakaroon ka ng 10 shares kay Jollibee. Fast forward, naging 20 pesos na per share ang shares of stocks ni Jollibee. So, since meron kang 10 shares kay Jollibee, if i-convert mo yan to cash, magiging 200 pesos na yan. That's value for money. Number 1, dividend. Or ang hati mo sa profits na kinikita ng company. Benefit mo yan dahil isa kang shareholder ng company. Kapatid, if you want to grow your money, buy shares of stocks ng company. See you on my next video.